The insurance company just isn't offering enough for your vehicle, and that sucks. So what do you do about it? Attorney Ted Sink with Ted Law Firm. We've helped hundreds of clients. We've recovered millions of dollars for our clients, and sometimes we've been able to get our clients many times what their vehicle was originally worth. There's a lot of ways to do it, but I do want to help you talk through these because unfortunately, the deck is stacked against you when it comes to property damage. By property damage, I mean how much you get paid for your car, your truck, your motorcycle, and the stuff in it, like the baby seats and what have you. The law is stacked against you, but there are things you can do to help yourself and sometimes recover thousands or tens of thousands more. Here are a few things to look for. First of all, and this might be obvious, look for comparable vehicle values in your area. So what would your vehicle be worth if it were on a used car lot? That's unfortunately what the insurance companies think they owe you. So go look for that. Go find other comparable vehicle values in the nearby area where you bought the vehicle or where you live. Find out what those are worth. Sometimes it's worth a lot more than what the insurance company will tell you, especially these days, because the cost of the price for used cars is going up and up and up. There's some inflation going on. Check that out. Sometimes it can make you a lot of money. Look for the comparable vehicle values. I suggest looking at Kelley Blue Book and Auto Trader, which now owns them. Those are usually pretty good ways to do it. Look for things with similar mileage and features. Don't cheat yourself out of any of that. Second, make sure you're listing anything custom in your vehicle. And not just the custom features and the builds, but sometimes people have a spoiler, a special paint job that costs extra money. Or people often forget about your car seat, your child car seat. Once those are used, once they're in a wreck, they generally need to be replaced. Put together a receipt for that. Try to get the extra money. Those things really help. Now, a third thing that can get you a ton of money is look for punitive damages. That can be something like someone was drunk or they admit to texting while driving or they were distracted. We have a whole list of ways that you can get extra money in a little free cheat sheet that you can download here. It's a guide that'll kind of take you through. Look for different ways you can recover the full amount of money you're owed. And honestly, the best way to make sure that you're getting taken care of is if you were injured at all, start up a personal injury law claim. Because with the insurance company, the law is on their side when it comes to a lot of the property damage. The law is very much on your side when it comes to your personal injury. Your pain, your suffering, your medical bills, all of that you're truly entitled to recover for, and you should recover for. Having that personal injury claim and combining it with the property damage claim usually will get you a lawyer. Lawyers tend to be able to do things to move things along faster, speak with authority, and though we can't promise it, a lot of the times get sometimes a little more money, sometimes a lot more money. But the goal is always to get you a lot more money in pocket with us than without us. I think everyone will agree that's the goal, not a promise, but that's the goal. We tend to do pretty well with it. We'd love to help you if that's the situation. You've been personally injured and you've gotten treatment somewhat near to the wreck. Now, I know that this is tough news, but we like to tell people straight up. If you'd like to look more about this up, there's a 2003 Supreme Court case in South Carolina, and there's a straight up diminished value rule in Georgia. So you should also look at the diminished value. And those diminished value cases will actually give you a lot of great information. Also, just give us a call, 888-333-5555. We'd love to help you, 888-333-5555.